Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about setting up birthday reminders on your iPhone and iPad. So it is very straightforward process. So here is how you can do it. Firstly, go to the contact app and go to the contact of the person you want to set birthday reminder of. Then simply tap on the edit in the top right corner of the screen. Then scroll down to find the add birthday field. Then simply tap on it and a calendar will appear. Select the person's birthday from the calendar. And once you have entered the birthday, tap on the done in the top right corner to save the changes. Now you can go to the calendar and check if the reminder is set or not. Go to the calendar. You can see there the birthday reminder is set. Now all you have to do is go to the settings app now. Now go back to the home screen and tap on the settings icon. Then simply scroll down till you find the calendar options. Then tap on the calendar. Then simply tap on default alert time. Now you can choose the time for the reminder 1 day before or 2 day before or any according to your preferences. So I have kept here 1 day before the birthday. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.